Yeah, hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. Today we'll be looking into how to set up our PU Prime accounts. The only thing we want to do right now is just to set up the account, and you can do it in two forms. You Number one, you need to download your PU Prime on Play Store. So let me check Play Store right now. JKLMNOP Play Store. Okay. So on our Play Store, just search for PU Prime, PU Prime. That's it. So, and this is it. So already we've installed our PU Prime. That is why it's doing opening. Okay. If it is not installed, you just click install in front of it here. So install will be in front of it instead of opening, but we have done that. So two ways you can open your PU Prime on the web. That means you do the sign up on the website, making use of a link, or you just do it on the app by just making use of the referral code. Number one, I noticed that a lot of people do not love using people's link or referral code when opening a broker or an exchange. That is very, very bad. It's very, very bad. That is an act that is not really, really good for a businessman. The truth is, there is always a percentage of whatever comes in, especially in the crypto space. There is a percentage that is always given to your referrer. And the truth is, if you just do um, do it regular in a random way without using a referral code, the company owns that part of the money. For example, in crypto, let me put it this way: there is the percentage that is always deducted when you do transactions. So some of that percentage is paid to the person that referred you. So if you don't use the person's referral code, that money still remains the company. So it's not like it's coming to you. You're wasting it. You're wasting it. You're giving a complaint or that owns something back the full entitlement, and that's not really good. That looks like you jealous. That looks like you don't like the person. That looks like you don't really want that person to make it. And to be sincere, it's not good. I've been saying this for a very long time, and I feel it's not good. So, well, whatever, whether you do that for me or not, as in whether you use my referral code or not, I remain on the internet and I'll make my money. So, whatever, but please do. So, you can make use of the link or just make use of the app and use the referral code. Let's look at it. When I click on the link, it goes in here and we start registration instantly. And if I also check the app, I have logged out from the app. Let's start. Assuming this is the app, you click on login and you click on sign up below because you don't have an account. So you put in your phone number, then you click here for the referral. They say it's optional because they don't want somebody to claim that money. Please do. So just copy the referral code. If you're making use of a link, you don't need a referral code because the link automatically says that the person brought you in. So, sorry, you put in the referral code here, you paste it here, and you put your number. Let me use this 081 54358681. So, I'll be using this. I want this to send me a code. I hope it does. So, let's wait for the code. It wants me to arrange this. Okay, I try to match that. Okay, a code has been sent. A code has been sent. Oh, the code. Okay, the code has been sent, so I'm putting it in, and that's all. So here I need to type in my password, and it's telling me that my password needs to be. I've clicked this place as non-US residents. Please do that, and it has to be 8 to 16 characters. There must be at least one upper and lower case, means there has to be one capital letter and one small letter at least. It has to have one number. at least, then at least one of the following characters. I usually use at, okay, in my stuff. So I'll be putting in the password and, get back. Okay, password. That has been sent. As in, I've put in the password. I'll click submit. Okay, I'll click submit right now. And here it comes. I'm saving this. So here it comes. I have to put the email, date of birth, and every other thing. So I think this is simple enough. You put in your email, your first name, your middle name, your last name, your gender. Okay. And you put in, your date of birth, country, nationality. So you put all this in here and we move to the next. And the nationality. So I click next. Oh, it's asking, please check your email to confirm this. We'll check the email. Okay. So let's go to the email to confirm that. Let me see. Email. Okay. I think there is a mail from PU Prime. Are we seeing any email yet? Okay. I'm yet to see an email for this, but it's okay. We are still on track. We are still on track, sure. I just hope I spelled the email right. Larichi. Well, we continue from as in from here, we move to the next page. Okay, the first thing is to create a platform. That means, first of all, create an account, a global account. Then after that, you move into creation of a sub account that's going to be probably a Saint account or and a copy trade account and so on. So the first thing to do here is just to create these accounts randomly, and we do this. I'm coming. We choose platform 5 because we are making use of MT5. Okay, we choose standard. Okay, and we choose the dollar sign here. Okay, so let's do that. We click on these, we click on these. We could have clicked on the 2, but we choose standard first. Okay, so far the 2 is not clicking on. Okay, then we choose USDT. We move to the next. We want to accept all this. We've gone through this, so we accept this. That's finished. Okay. Deposits preparation. Then we move to complete verification. Okay. Let's choose this first. Let's see what it brings. Okay, it wants us to deposit, so we are not depositing yet. So you go back from here, stay on this page. No. Leave this page. So we go to complete verification. Let's first of all complete our verification. Then I agree on this. Then I continue. Okay, so then the next thing to do here is to click all countries except US, because US has its own different policy. So you click on this, then you continue. So from here, you make use of your profile details, complete your verification. In only it will only take about 2 minutes. Okay, so you continue. It's Nigeria, then your ID card, your passport, driver's license, residence permit. I usually use ID card because ID card, and I use my NIN ID card as a Nigerian, but you can make use of any other one, like if you have an international passport that is not yet expired, or you have excuse me, you have a driver's license, residence permit. I don't know. Do we use this in Nigeria? Well, ID card, I use my NIN, the one that is being printed from the what do you call it? From the mobile app, the one that used to be on paper, you understand, that we laminate. So I use that and it works. Complete this because the account is not for me. So if the account is for you, you just go around with that. So probably I just cancel this to go to the home page right now. And this is the home page and this is the demo page. So that's because I'm not doing the verification. You have to do the verification. So after doing the verification, we'll move to the next stage to set up our regular account that we'll be trading with. This is the let me show you something. This is the live account, the number one account. You can create, you can see this is the live account, this is the demo account. You can create more lives accounts, you can create more demo accounts, you can create more sent account and so on. And that is why we have this here. You see, new live account, new demo account. So in the next video, we'll be creating a new live account to show you the account you want to trade with, the way to set up the account you want to trade with. But note, you have to do your verification also. Thank you. God bless you.